So I'm basically obsessed with crystals, and I love learning about them, and I love the fact that it's really part of nature. You're connecting with nature, and they have these amazing healing properties found throughout the world. So one of the crystals in the kits is the clear quartz crystal, and it's a really powerful crystal. You can find it all over the world. It's the most powerful crystal that you can really get. And what's amazing, they're fairly affordable too. It's not like some crystals are extremely expensive. So in terms of price, it's amazing how inexpensive and accessible to everyone, really. And it can be anything that you want it to be. If you can focus on any part of the chakra, it has healing properties. It will put all of your chakras in balance, so it's a really good crystal to work with because it is powerful and can represent anything that you want it to, and dispel any sort of negative energy that you're feeling. So I'm a huge fan of clear quartz. And then the aquamarine, that's a beautiful blue, there's a little bit of green in it, and it really is a crystal that reflects water and puts you in balance, and it's very tranquil, serendipity. Think of the ocean and the water. And it's what I love about it is that sometimes life is so stressful and things can happen, and you get jerked around and things like that. I think aquamarine is a really good crystal to work with because it really does kind of just ride like a wave and really cool and tranquil. And then the other crystal that we have in these kits is the orange calcite crystal. And what's cool about the orange calcite crystal is that it's kind of like a filter. You can use it like a filter, and kind of in a way like what I was talking about with clear quartz, it can dispel any sort of negativity and project any sort of good intentions that you have. And it helps with creativity, which is why I think it's a really good crystal for this kit.